Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as a freebie down below so you can grab it if you like. What are we doing back here again? We are doing more savings challenges. I am obsessed, and I think you can tell by now. I do still spend some money, right? Especially when side hustles come through. I take my kiddos somewhere special because I feel like we don't need to miss out on life because they only have one income household. I think we're still blessed enough where we can save and we can still play. So this money we're going to go ahead and put into our SilynthiaC Budget Creations binder. Savings challenges need to be warmed up a little. I'm pretty excited about the progress that is being made. And I mentioned before, both of these binders have savings challenges, and both of these binders will be working on saving for our sinking funds. So let's count up what we're stuffing today. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 bucks here. And I think how we're going to work this out is we will, let's move some of this stuff off to the side. We're going to use our, should we use our player's card or a dice? 1 second. I think we're going to roll the dice. We're going to roll the dice today. We are going to see how we're going to work this out. I have my IOU slip. Hopefully it's not necessary. I think we'll just leave we have two spices, a 5 and a 2. So let's just mix, hold on, give me a second because I can't see what I'm doing and I want to make sure I'm mixing the money up. I don't even know if it's mixing. Is it mixing, guys? I don't know. Okay. Well, hopefully it's mixed. Clearly not good at mixing the money. All right, so I think what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take 2 bills every time we roll. There are 6 savings challenges here that we are working on today. So number 5, number 5, number 3, number 4, number 4, number 4, it looks like 4 is going to be finished. Number 5, number 2, and number 2 has an IOU. I forgot to check on that, and it's getting $2, but it has an IOU of $1. Oh, so glad that it landed on 2 because I keep forgetting to check for the IOUs. Okay. So all of these savings challenges are SilynthiaC Budget Creations, linked down below. So I won't go over them per se. I will show you number 1 is not getting anything today, but it does have $15, which is fantastic. All right, next up, number 2 is getting $1, $2, $3. 1, 2, 3, which is perfect. So now in total, our Capricorn has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Yay! All right, and number 3 is getting $3 today. One, 2, 3. And let's count up what the mermaid has. 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Yay. I was hoping to finish one today, so I'm hoping that the next one is going to be completed because we have a $5 bill in there. We have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Okay, let's see. Are we going to complete this savings challenge? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! All right. So in total, our anime savings challenge has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bucks. Perfect. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set this one off to the side. It is completed. And we are going to snag, which one should we work on? I was thinking about pulling out another, let's do our winter, because January is still pretty cold here where we are. So we'll go ahead and add our winter, melanin winter. Next savings challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bucks today. And this is from our tattoo collection. I said I wasn't going to go over it, but clearly I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. The progress, amazing. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 here. All right, and number 6 is not getting anything today, but it does have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Woohoo! Yes. Oh, such amazing progress. All right, so we've gone ahead and stuffed all of our savings challenges today. Not all of them, but the ones that did end up getting money. We completed one, which is our anime savings challenge. Once again, all of the challenges you see here will be linked down below. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.